Hello and welcome back to the Signiforce channel. In Salesforce, there is a setting that enables you to roll up your activities on a contact up to the primary account. However, activities from one contact may not display on another contact. In this video, I will show you how to see all account activities on the contact page. So let's get into the tutorial. To demonstrate how to do this, I am looking at the account page for the Presley household, which has two contacts, Jane Presley and Liam Presley. When I look at Liam Presley's contact page, I see a couple of activities that have been logged in the past. Similarly, when I look at Jane's contact page, there aren't any activities that have been logged. Now, the two activities that are on Liam's page have rolled up to the account page. So here we see the task for Liam and the Liam call that was logged. If you do not see your contact activities rolling up to your account page, make sure you go to your setup menu, search for activity settings, and make sure that the roll-up activities to a contact's primary account is enabled. So this allows us to see all the activities from the contacts onto the account. However, what if we have a requirement to see Liam's activities on Jane's page, or a requirement to see those activities that are just on the account page on a contact page? In order to do this, I'm going to select the setup icon and click Edit Page. This will bring up the contact record page in edit mode. Now I will go over to the Lightning Components section, select the Related Lists single component, and drag it to, let's say, right under the Activity section, since that's where all the other activities are. Now I will configure this component. So for the parent record, I will select Account Name, because we want the activities that are at the account level. In the Related List, I will select Activity History, and in the Related List display, select whichever one you prefer as the display, which I will select Default, and press Save. Once you have saved the record, hit the Back button. When I scroll down under the Activities section, I will be able to see the activity history for the parent account, including not only the activities that are just related to the account, but also those activities that were related to the other contacts in the account that have rolled up to the parent account. That is all for today's tip. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like and share it with a colleague or a friend. We upload a new video on the topic of Salesforce tips and tutorials every week, so consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video.